Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are bringing you an in-depth review of the Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. This 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner is a game changer when it comes to keeping your car, home, office, and even pets clean and tidy. With its 16,000 pascals strong suction power and 3-speed adjustable 120W high-power motor, this vacuum cleaner can easily tackle any cleaning challenge you throw at it. Whether you need to clean up pet hair, dust, or even inflate a swimming ring, this vacuum cleaner has got you covered. Not only does it provide powerful cleaning capabilities, but it also operates at a low noise level of less than 70 decibels, ensuring that it won't disrupt your daily life or work. And with its rechargeable battery and fast charging feature, this vacuum cleaner is not only convenient but also environmentally friendly and energy efficient. The simple yet stylish design of the vacuum cleaner, coupled with its LED light feature, makes cleaning in darker, hard-to-reach places a breeze. Additionally, the multiple accessories that come with the vacuum cleaner allow you to customize your cleaning experience, making it easier and more efficient. Not dimension. Maintenance is a breeze with its effortless one-click dismantling and washable reusable HEPA filter. No need to worry about blockages or inefficiency with this vacuum cleaner. Overall, the Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have for anyone looking for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use cleaning solution. So, don't wait any longer, click the link in the description to get yours today and experience the difference for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.